Now see this question based on the Kirchhoff's voltage law. In this complex circuit is given and we have to find the voltage V1. Okay, so this is voltage V1. So here to solve this circuit, we have to choose a path where all the voltage are maximum number of voltage are known. So if we transverse through this path, okay, we are transversing through this path. Now we can clearly see that when we transverse through this path, then only V1 is unknown. So we will apply KVL in this loop. So when we apply KVL, we are moving here. So we can write V1 is equals to this minus 30, minus 100, this is minus 100, negative terminal is encountered. This is plus 105 and this is minus 50 and this is plus 55. Okay, so finally on solving this we will get 15 volt. So V1 is equals to 15 volt is the answer of this question. Now see this question. In this question this circuit is given and question says that in the circuit a charge of 600 coulomb is delivered to 100 volt source in 1 minute. Then we have to find voltage V1. Okay, this is V1. See, read the question very carefully. It says that charge of 600 coulomb is delivered to 100 volt source. Here voltage source is not delivering the charge, but charge is delivered to the voltage source. So how a voltage source can how a charge can be delivered to a voltage source? See, when voltage source delivers charge to the circuit, then direction of conventional current is like this. Okay, current leaves the positive terminal of battery. But when charge is delivered to the voltage source, then direction of current will be like this. That is entering to the positive terminal of battery. So here conventional current is leaving the positive terminal. Here conventional current is entering the terminal of battery. It means when charge is delivered to 100 volt source, it means direction of current is like this. Only in that case this source can deliver, this charge can be delivered to this source. Okay. Now apply KVL in this circuit. So when we apply KVL, we get V1 plus 60, okay, minus 100, and that is direction of current is like this. Okay, when we are moving and current direction is like this, so minus 20I. Suppose current in this circuit is I. Okay, so that is equals to 0. So we get V1 minus 40 minus 20 into I is equals to, so see how we can calculate I is equals to Q upon T. Here charge is 600 and time is 1 minute. So we get 10 ampere. So current is equals to 10 ampere. So on solving this we get V1 is equals to 240 volt. So 240 volt is the answer of this question. Now see these two questions. This will clear your KVL concepts. So first question is, this circuit is given and we have to find voltage V0. This is current source, this is 4 ohm resistance and this is 10 volt voltage source. So here we have to find V0. See, here in this circuit, to find the V0 we have to apply KVL in this loop. But we cannot apply KVL in this loop because this loop has this current source in circuit. That's why we cannot find V0. Okay, so this is the first concept. Second concept is, this circuit is given. This is voltage V1 and this is voltage V2. And this is 16 volt voltage source, this is 8 volt, this is 6 ohm, this is 6 ohm. And we have to find voltage V12. V12 means V1 minus V2. So to find the voltage V1 minus V2, what we have to do, suppose current in this loop is IA, okay. So to find V1 minus V2, we have to move from V1 to V2. So there are two ways of moving from V1 to V2. First, we can move from this path. Okay, we can move V1 to V2 from this path, and second method is we can move through this path also. Okay, so in option the answer was related to this path. So if we apply KVL through this path, then we get V1 minus V2 is equals to, first this 16 volt is encountered and this is positive terminal, so we will write 16. Okay, 16 minus 6 IA. And second method is V1 minus V2 is also equals to 6 IA and plus this positive terminal is encountered, so plus 8. So both of these methods are correct. In this way we will apply the KVL when two node voltage are given, 2-point voltage are given. So suppose we have to find voltage between these 2 points, then we have to simply see what we have to find. If we have to find V12, it means we have to move from V1 to V2. If question says that we have to find V21, then in that case we have to move from V2 to V1. So this is the concept of KVL.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.